The biggest opportunity to connect in the timber and wood materials trade in the region is back, with an estimated transaction size of up to 35 million USD, attracting over 3,000 trade visitors from more than 50 countries. With the aspiration to engineer smart solutions and elevate the global wood processing and furniture manufacturing industry, Semac will officially be present at the 3rd Malaysia Wood Expo, with proven capacity not only through major domestic projects, but also by expanding its distribution system to international friends from Cambodia, Malaysia, India, and Thailand, to distant countries like Panama, Australia, and Canada. Meeting old Malaysian friends at this event will be an opportunity for Semac to connect, share, and expand cooperation with international experts, together to elevate production capacity and connect the Vietnamese wood industry with the world. Semac, the #1 wood processing machinery brand in Vietnam. We don't just supply machines, we are the partner that brings comprehensive and leading solutions to your business. Don't miss the chance to break through. Visit Semac's booth at MWE 2025. Contact us now to book an in-depth consultation.